NRM CEC boss, that is Central Executive Committee boss by the name Lepa, killed in a road accident. On his way to Kampala for a meeting is when he met the fate. The information that has just come in. The National Resistance Movement, that is NRM, Vice Chairperson for Karamoja Region, Simon Peter Lepa, has died in a motor accident along Iganga Chiringi Road. Sources within the NRM have disclosed that the deceased was traveling for the ruling party's Central Executive Committee meeting. Bustoga East Police, in a statement, said the accident occurred at about 1 a.m. at Bukona along Higanga Tirinya Highway. And also, an information also indicates that the accident was a head-on collision of a Toyota V8 registration number UAP 787Q and another whose specifics could not be readily established. Alepa was driving the V8 and died on the spot. That's what the police said. The police said that Alepa, with a head-on collision with the other vehicle, which number plate would not be established, died on the spot, and information coming in indicates that he was driving it himself. The deceased was coming from Mbale's side and collided with an unknown MV which was coming from Iganga direction, lost control and veered off the road. Mr. Alepa lost to Francis Adome Lorico in Moroto municipality in the last general elections. That's an additional information about Alepa. Alepa has passed away, one of the bosses in NRM, and may his soul rest in peace.